Dear student, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our exercise is linear equation in one variable. We are attending question from exercise 2.2. In this exercise, we have to making equation in one variable and solve the equation. Question number 13. A rational number. What is a rational number? Rational number is such that fraction number P upon Q. A rational number such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 upon 3 to the product, you get minus 7 upon 12. What is the number? For answer, let taking what is the number? The number is x. Assume the rational number is x is given in question. A rational number multiply by 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into x and add 2 upon 3 to the product. This one is product. When we add 2 upon 3, you get minus 7 by 2 is equal to minus 7 by 12. Sorry, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? This is our equation. We have to transpose and solve the value of x. Transposing 2 by 3 to right hand side. When we transposing the number, the positive will convert to negative. So 5 by 2x is equal to minus 7 upon 12 and minus 2 by 3. This is our two fraction number. We have to add these number. For adding, we know that the denominator will be equal. When we multiply this number 3 into 4, we get 12. So multiply by 4. Minus 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3 multiply by 4. 5 by 2x is equal to minus 7 by 12 minus 2 into 4 8, 3 into 4 12. When denominator is equal, so 5 by 2x is equal to 12. Minus 7 and minus 8. Minus 7 and minus 8, we will get minus 15. 5 by 2 x is equal to minus 15 upon 12. We can cut this number by 3. In right hand side, we will divide by 3. 5 by 2x is equal to minus, when 15 divided by 3 you get 5, 12 divided by 3 you get 4. For finding the value of x, we have to remove 5 by 2. 5 is a multiplier, so we will divide by 5. In both sides, we will divide by 5. 1 by 5, 5 by 2x minus 5 by 4 divide by 5 means 1 by 5. There 5 and 5 will cancel, 5 and 5 will cancel. So 1 by 2x is equal to minus 1 by 4. These two in denominator part means divide part, so we will multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 in both sides. 2 1 by 2x is equal to 2 minus 1 by 4. 2 and 2 cancel, so x 2 can cut 4 by 2 times, so x is minus half. So the rational number is minus 1 by 2. This is our answer. Let beginning from this question. A rational number is such that when you multiply by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to this product, you will get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? The number is x. Let assume the rational number is x as given in question. Rational number is x multiply by 5 by 2, x multiply by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 and add 2 by 3. You get means equal to minus 7 by 12, equal to minus 7 by 12. We transpose 2 by 3 to right hand side. When we transposing, the positive sign will change in negative sign, then this number will be negative. For adding this number, we know that the denominator will be equal. 3 multiply by 4 can equal to 12. So we multiply by 4 in this number. 2 into 4 8, 3 into 12, 3 into 4 is equal to 12. When denominator is equal, hence minus 7 and minus 8, minus 15 by 12. Minus 15 by 12. These number can cut by 3, so right hand side will be divided by 3. In numerator and denominator. Dividing by 3 in numerator and denominator. 15 by 3 5, 12 by 3 4. So minus 5 by 4 is our answer. Then we finding the value of x, there are a multiplier of 5, so we will divide by 5. In both sides we will divide by 5. 1 by 5 and 1 by 5. This one 5 and 5 cancel, 5 and 5 will be cancelled. So here one is 1 by 2 x and minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. This 2 in divide part, so we will multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 in both sides. The left hand side will multiply by 2 and right hand side will multiply by 2. 2 and 2 cancel, then remaining is x. 2 can cut 4 by 2 times, so x is equal to minus half. The rational number is minus half. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. So student, our next question is question number 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5 The total case with Lakshmi is 4 lakh. How many notes of each denominations does she have? How many number of notes does she have? So starting from the question, Lakshmi having currency notes of rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10. The ratio of the number of notes is 2:3:5. So number of these notes is, when we are attending the question in ratio form, we will multiply by x these number. So number of notes are 2x, 3x and 5x. The number of these notes are 2x, 3x and 5x. Dear student, when we get one note of rupees 100, we get 100 rupees. When we get two notes of rupees 100, we'll get total 200 rupees. When we get 10 notes of rupees 100 is equal to 10 into 100 is equal to 1000. 1 into 100, 100, 2 into 100, 200. Here rupees 100 notes are 2x. When 2x notes of rupees 100 is equal to 2x into 100, means the total value will be 200x. So case values of these notes are 2x into 100, 3x into 50, 5x into 10. These are case value. These are number of notes and this is value of note. So 2x into 100, 3x into 50, 5x into 10. Next line is total case with Lakshmi. Total case is 200x plus 150x plus 50x. The total case is 4 lakh. 50 and 150, 200, 200 plus 200, 400. 400x is equal to 4 lakh. Here we will find the value of x, so we will divide by 400. Dividing both sides by 400, then 400x divided by 400 and 4 lakh divide by 400. We can cut 20 and 20. Here 400 and 400 cancel. X is equal to 4000 divided by 4. Answer is 1000. We will get the value of x. But question is, how many notes of each? How many notes? The number of notes is 2x, 3x and 5x. So when we get the value of x, putting here 2 into 1000, 2000, 3000 and 5000. This is our final answer. So number of notes is rupees 100 notes are 2x, 2 into 1000 number is 2000. 100 rupees notes are 2000. When taking rupees 50 notes, 50 notes is 3x, 3 into 1000, 3000. Rupees 10 notes are 5x, rupees 10 notes are 5x. So 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000. This is our final answer. So take beginning from the question. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. He has currency notes of rupees 100, 50 and 10. So Lakshmi having currency notes of 100, 50 and 10. The ratio of number of these notes, the ratio of number of these notes is 2:3:5. When we get a ratio question, we will multiply by x. So number of these notes is 2x, 3x and 5x. These are the number of notes. But these are number of notes. Question says that total case, the case value is 4 lakh, but these are the number. When we get the case value, we will multiply the case value with number of notes. So case value of these notes are 2x into 100, 3x into 50, 5x into 10. Total case is the addition of these are equal to 4 lakh. The addition of 200, 150 and 50x is equal to 4 lakh. 50, 150, 200, 200 plus 200, 400. 400 is equal to 4 lakh. Here 400 is a multiplier, so we will divide by 400. Dividing both side by 400. Divide by 400 and divide by 400. Here 400 and 400 cancel out. The remaining is x. Here we can cut 00 to 00. 4000 divided by 4, we will get 1000. The value of x is 1000. How many notes of each currency? How many notes? Number of notes is 2x, 3x and 5x. Rupees 100 notes are 2x. Rupees 100 notes are 2x. 2 into 1000. The value of x is 1000. So answer is 2000. Rupees 50 notes are 3x. Rupees 50 notes are 3x. Rupees 10 notes are 5x. Rupees 10 notes are 5x. This is our final answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. So student, our next question is question number 16. The organizers of an essay competition decide that winner of the competition get prize of 100. Winner prize 100. Prize of 100, and the participant who does not win means lose, does not wins get prize of rupees 25. Total prize 3000. The total prize money distributed is 3000 rupees. Find the number of winners. number of winners is X. If the total number of participant is 63, total participant 63. Let's assume winner are 10, total is 63, does not win 53, means 63 minus 10, then does not wins 63 minus X. Now total prize, the prize distributed to winners is X into 100. The price between not winning participant is 63 minus X into 25. The addition of both is total money. So in our answer, assume number of winners are X, total number of participant is 63, so number of participant which does not wins is equal to 63 minus X, total minus X. And then prize given to winners is rupees 100, total money distributed to winners is money distributed to winners. One winner get 100, two winner get 200, X winner get 100X. Prize given to does not wins rupees 25, money distributed to does not wins is, does not wins number is 63 minus X, multiply with prize money, 63 minus X into 25. Total prize money distributed is 3000. So total money wins and does not wins addition is 3000. So 100X plus 25 into 63 minus X is equal to 3000. The addition of these is equal to 3000. 100X plus 25 into 3, 75, 25 into 6, 150, then 157, 15775, and then minus 25X is equal to 3000. 100X minus 25X is equal to 75x 3000. Here we transposing this number to right hand side, the plus sign will change into minus sign. 75x is equal to 5 2 4 1. Here 75 is multiplier, so we will divide by 75. Dividing both sides by 75. The equation is 75x is equal to 1425 divide by 75 divide by 75. Here 75 and 75 will be cancel out. In this we can cut by 5, dividing by 5. 5 2 is 10, 8 times 40 and 5 times. This is dividing by 5 1 time and 5 time. In bracket, dividing by 5. X is 285 upon 15. We can again divide by 5. 5 and 7. Divide by 5 3 times. Dividing by 5. X is equal to 57 upon 3 is equal to 19. X is 19. What is the X? X is number of winners. Question is find the number of winners. So number of winners is equal to 19. This is our answer. Let's take beginning of the question. The organizers of an essay competition decided that a winner in the competition get prize of rupees 100 and participant who does not get prize wins get prize of 25 rupees. The total prize money distributed is 3000. Find the number of winners. So we take number of winners is X. Assume number of winners are X. In question, total number of participant is 63. Total number of participant is 63, in which X are winners. Then how many participant does not wins is 63 minus X. So number of participant which does not wins is 63 minus X. Prize given to winner is 100 rupees. There are X winners, so total money to winners is 100X. Prize money given does not wins is 25. Then total prize money get does not wins is 63 minus X into 25. Total prize money distributed in winners and losers is 3000. So winners prize money plus winners prize money is plus losers prize money is addition is 3000. Winners and losers is equal to 3000. When we opening the bracket, 25 into 63 and 25 into X. 100 minus 25 75. When we transposing, the plus will change into minus. 75X is equal to 1425. Here we will find the value of X. 75 is multiplier, so we will dividing both side by 75. Divide by 75 and divide by 75. We can cut these number by 5. Dividing by 5, we get this number. This number again can cut by 5, then get this number. When we dividing 57 by 3, answer is 19. So number of winners is 19. You can take a screenshot of this. In our next video, we will start a new topic. Thank you for watching this video.